ngiyawubona uyanyakaza ngenxa yama-tuck shop abawabonayo abantu bangaphandle. Wona uzibona unganakiwe la eSouth Africa noma yileli parliament kunakwe abantu bangaphandle. Minister, kunombuzo engifuna ungiphendule ngawo. Ukuthi why ungatsheli ohlangana Zulu noma nabantu abamashayo emadolobheni abalwisana nalabo bantu bangaphandle bokufika kumabhizinisi ukuthi kunemali ewu5 billions lena ekhishwa amazwe angaphandle ewakhiphela abantu abakulelizwe abazohweba kanjalo nama permit resident umbuzo permanent resident. Umbuzo wami ke
Thank you,
kuwena.
Honorable Kaula.
Why abantu babuke wena bayashaya
Honorable
amaphoyisa
Kaula.
esenyuka emgwaqweni wena uthula awuyi kochaza
Mama
ukuthi
Kaula.
labantu bala ngokusemthethweni phendula
Honorable
liyabhubhe
Kaula, I'm going to
KZN.
switch off your mic now if you don't listen. Honorable Minister.
Thank you so much, House Chair. Umhlonipheku Khawula uyayazi kakuhle njengelungu elenza umthetho apha. Intoba umphathiswa ojongene nokuphuhlisa amashishini akhasayo akanalo ilungelo lokwenza lento athetha ngayo. Lo msebenzi athetha ngawo wathi 5 billion, that is a determination for those that must get a business visa. It's 5 million rands. Under the Immigration Act, Section 22, it is administered by the Department of Home Affairs, not the Department of Small Business Development. Ngiyabonga mhlonipheku.